so fucking mikel. I haven't vlogged in a while because I've been busy and I've been thinking and I've been doing a lot of things and I've been lazy also. So how you guys going? Today's a Friday. Yeah, today's a Friday. What was my last vlog? I forgot. Yeah, I went to a concert yesterday. No, the other day. I watched Scorpions and Whitesnake. So Scorpions, I was waiting for the song. What do you call this? What song was that? Hold on, I'm gonna change my settings for the microphone because it's not peaking. Okay, let's try that. I think that's better. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so I watched Scorpions, but I was waiting for the song. What song was that? Under the Same Sun, because there was a time I was hitting the guitars and playing the songs, and we were listening to those songs on Smash FM, but they didn't play it. I feel bad. No, I feel sad. No, it was fine. I just wanted to hear that song again. But anyway, I need to go home because I need to prepare. Tomorrow I have a shoot tomorrow. Last week, I think I did shoot. Yeah, I think I shot. I haven't been tracking on my days. And I took an exam last Monday. English proficiency or like English thing. It's called IELTS. And I passed! I didn't study. I'm good. Yeah, that's just updates. Anyway, I'm gonna head home now. I'm gonna do the laundry because I don't have anything to wear for tomorrow's wedding. So yeah, let's go. Not using any filter now, and I just got some marinated pork ribs and steak. Okay, need to get inside the house. It's kind of cold, and I need to do laundry. Yep, laundry. This is so car. Okay, same place as ever. I'm doing laundry here, and yeah, just gonna change the. Okay, there you go. The laundry's there, so yeah, and you can see some guy there having a massage. Yeah, I'm in the laundry right now. I'm not doing the massage though. So time to watch movies. Oh shit! I think I just slapped the iPad. It's not mine, it's Laura's. iPad time. Watching movies. Let's go. Okay, finally done with the laundry. Heading home. Yeah, I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm so hungry right now. Not really. Listen to it again. Done with the laundry. Heading home. Bye, laundry. That was bad. Let's do it again. Done with the laundry. Heading home. Gonna prepare the stuff for tomorrow. Charge the batteries, put in the camera in the bag and everything else. So let's go. I just got home and just got home and just finished the laundry. And then after that, I ate the pizza. So pizza's gone. We just had pizza for dinner. I bought steak.
Oh, he did really well with his IELTS. Did really well.
He got 6.5 in writing. That sucks.
Oh, but everything else. Oh
That's
my
pampulubi.
goodness. Ganda ko si Kathy. At least Mikel did really well. At mura na siyang nagdaro na. Because before you got 6s. No, you...
Because I didn't have breakfast then. I had breakfast that day and I was there early. And yeah, so I'm charging the batteries now for tomorrow's wedding. We're gonna start around 10:30.
With the results,
oh,
even,
the wedding tomorrow is gonna be funny because we're gonna start at Yarra Valley. It's gonna be 45 minutes travel there, 40, maybe 40, and then we're gonna shoot the groom, and then we're gonna go to the bride's place.
Are you gonna shoot the groom?
We're gonna go to the bride's place, which is gonna take around 45 minutes. And then from the bride's place, we're gonna go back to the groom's place because it's near the venue, so it's gonna be 45 minutes. It's gonna be.
So why don't you finish off with the bride first, and then the groom, and then straight to the venue?
You know the order of getting ready. They just send the schedule late, and yeah, it's gonna be a lot.
That's a lot of driving.
But it's okay.
Ay, kinsa na booking.
Kang Marmar. Okay, Boss Marley! Hi, bro! Yeah.
Ako kay akong i-off akong work phone ugma. I still have to go to the office though, because in my contract I have to be in the office on Saturdays.
Okay, so what are you having
But
for
I haven't
breakfast
been
tomorrow?
going.
What are we having for breakfast tomorrow?
What do you mean? I have work at 9 a.m. and
Yeah,
I
we
usually
prepare
get calls
breakfast.
before
I
9.
leave at around maybe 10 or 9:45, so I'm gonna prepare breakfast. What do you want for breakfast?
Nothing.
Pancakes?
Yeah, but I don't like the sweet pancakes, the instant ones that you do. Make it from scratch and make it a bit healthier.
Never mind, we're not having pancakes.
No, because
We're just gonna have bread, and I'm gonna put butter, and then we're gonna
there's
have
oat
toast.
flour and soy milk and honey. You can use that for
I can't do that.
pancakes.
Can't do that. Anyway, we're just gonna chill.
It's not gonna be healthy still because there's lots of ice cream.
It's breakfast. You don't put ice cream.
You drown it in ice
You don't
cream.
put ice cream. It's breakfast. You're just gonna have milk or
There's
coffee
butter
or...
and maple syrup, but just need to make healthier versions of pancake from scratch.
She does. And then when she sees chocolate, she just eats.
Yeah, with lots of chocolate.
Eats just chocolate like popcorn or like.
We get a lot of junk food. By junk, I mean the pizza and stuff that we've been eating for a couple of days
We
now.
just had one pizza.
I had it for dinner last night too.
Yeah, I had some in the morning. I brought 2 in the office. I had one for breakfast.
Then
Just one day.
that's a lot of pizzas.
No, this is one.
One day, one day.
Ako ba maniwis? Anyway, so just gonna chill. I'm just gonna watch Netflix or maybe
Still
YouTube.
have work to do.
Yes, you still have work to do. You need to start working now. I'm gonna do my 41-day vlog. So by the time, 40-day vlog. By the time it's done, it's gonna be my
Saan ang
41st.
Kwaresma? Saan ang Kwaresma, Mick?
It's gonna be my 41st. Is it?
Unsa pa sa watan
How many days? March 30, dili day mga nearly start of April kutob. I'll try my best. I'll see how it goes. And you're in it.
I'm not in it.
What? Ano man?
I'm in it to win it.
Okay, butang ka ni.
One day.
So,
One day.
that's it for today, guys. Bye-bye.
You know, somebody said he's gonna start juicing again.
Can you give me a list of what I need to buy?
I already told
Yeah, I need to start
you.
juicing again because I'm big. I need to detox because when I eat food,
He's been saying that for like
don't
over
like
a
it.
month now.
like it was a time I bought only sliced bread for the office because when I go eat lunch, I don't want to.
But white bread is also not good for you, you know.
I know, but
It's
anyway,
fatty.
I'm just confused. My palate is like
I have carrots. I have baby carrots. Munch on those for lunch.
not my type.
Oh, they're good.
I
They're
don't like
sweet.
munching them. What's that, Doc?
Yeah, they're pretty sweet. They're good. I forgot about them. Anyway,
And then I had
stop
banana one
killing
time.
meat. Stop killing meat animals.
We have ribeye in the fridge, and we
Kabaw
have
ka. Ano yung mong gipatay na
we have
cow?
pork ribs. Kaganahan ka. You like pork ribs?
Kanang-
Are you
kanang-
denying you like?
Kanang
Do you like
gipatay
pork ribs?
Na baboy.
Dili ka mo ka og pork ribs?
Na anay life. imong
Katong pork ribs nga
gikuha ang
nangad to.
life.
Katong baratuhon nga Aldi. Cheap ones.
Ko dili ko ganahan.
Di ka ganun ka. Di mo ka na to. You're not gonna eat that?
Ngayon lang ko dili ko ganahan mukaon pero mukaon gyapon ko. Di ko ganahan cause kanang
You just want because
moral values.
moral value.
That's a life. Ngayon, patay. Tapos nag-erase siya kanang saan tao ka na? Dili man inhuman. Dili man sila human dan. Cruel
Cruel.
na pag-raise sa
Cruel.
Ayaw, tapos ipatay. Cruelty. Animal cruelty.
Animal cruelty.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it for now. I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna watch YouTube or Netflix or I don't know. And
Do my work for me.
bye.
Why am I in it?
Or
Make.
why is 6 afraid of 7?
Why?
Because 7, 8, 9. Ni. Sige, dito na ko ni. I-post na ko ni. Magawas na ni siya.